Today I am here to explain a topic which is agricultural income. Agricultural income is defined under section 21A of the Income Tax Act 1961. Agricultural income generally means any income whose rent or revenue is received by such land which is used for agricultural purposes and is situated in India. Any income derived from such land by doing agricultural operations and by producing some agricultural produce which is ready to go in market and for the sale purpose. It also comes under agricultural income. Any seedlings or croppings grown in nursery also comes under agricultural income. Examples of agricultural income: growing crops, creepers, and etc. Rent received from agricultural land, or income from sale of seeds, etc. And examples of non-agricultural income are income from poultry farming, income from beehiving, uh, royalty from coal mines, etc. And now there is a question arises: is agricultural income taxable? According to section 10(1) of the Income Tax Act 1961, agricultural income is exempted from taxation. It means central government cannot levy tax on the agricultural income. But there are two conditions which needed to be fulfilled for getting exempted from paying taxes. Those conditions are: if an SSE's total agricultural income is more than 5,000 rupees in previous year, then we have to pay tax for that income also. Second condition: if an SSE's total income by excluding agricultural income is more than 2 lakh, then he have to pay tax for agricultural income also. And if the SSE is more than of age 60 years, then the total income is more than 3 lakhs, then he have to pay